Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many web developers face when setting up multiple websites on the same server. The problem arises when trying to ensure that each site is isolated and secure from the others. In this case, the user followed a tutorial to isolate two websites by creating separate users, assigning permissions, and configuring PHP-FPM pools. Now, let's talk about the solution to this issue. The key here lies in understanding file permissions. While the directories for each site were assigned the correct ownership, the individual files inside still retained world-readable permissions. This means that even though a file in the second site was owned by the first site's user, it could still be accessed because of its global readability. In summary, the problem at hand was the unexpected behavior when accessing a page on the second site that was owned by the user of the first site. The solution to this lies in ensuring that not only the directories, but also the files themselves have the appropriate permission set. By granting proper permissions to the files within each site's directory, you can ensure the desired level of isolation and security between the two sites. And that wraps up our discussion for today. I hope this explanation sheds some light on how to tackle similar issues in your own web development projects. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any other tech topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Until next time, happy coding!